Tired of your Astro A30 feeling like it's not playing nicely with your Logitech setup? Let's bridge that gap and unlock its full potential within Logitech G HUB. First things first, if you don't already have it, head over to the Logitech website and download Logitech G HUB. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once it's installed, launch the application. With G HUB up and running, connect your Astro A30 to your computer. Make sure it's properly plugged in. G HUB should automatically detect your headset if it doesn't appear right away. Give it a minute or two to recognize it. Sometimes restarting G HUB can help. Once detected, you'll see the Astro A30 icon on the G HUB home screen. Click on that icon to access the headset's settings. This is where the magic happens. Now you're in control. You can customize audio profiles to suit your favorite games or listening preferences, adjust the equalizer settings, tweak microphone levels, and even assign specific profiles to different applications. Experiment and find what sounds best to you. Fine-tune your microphone settings for crystal clear communication, adjust the input volume, add noise reduction, or even enable sidetone so you can hear yourself speaking. This will help ensure your teammates hear you loud and clear. Don't forget to explore the settings menu for additional options. You might find firmware updates, lighting controls, or other customization features specific to your Astro A30, and just like that, you're ready to dominate.